Ladies and gentlemen, today my turn will shock the world, and the ladies are ready to share their powers. And then when you see them, they will show that they have the guts to run. We are going to go the batons. What is the name?
Franka.
What is the name?
Jesica.
What is the name?
Mavis.
Kais. Today, everybody say Today we are come to do na baton. Please, anybody where you go chop this na baton? Na 30 na Gano, the person have chop.
Only one person.
Only one person go chop na this thing. So anything where you go do, you go see how the way you go do na things. So everybody over here will show their powers. They can run well, and then everybody will see they have the talent. Franka, go there and show your powers, and then let's see you can run well.
Pues.
Kaba, hey. What the yana maga, hey. Uti yana maga po. Uti yana boko po. What the yana pijaji. Uti yana baba po. Wako yana boko je. What the yana mabo. What the go boti. Uti yana mata popo. What the dodoki. King would not dada. King would have done the Pew one dagger daddy. Pew your daddy daddy. He had a baba. Yeah, go. Today you go see the winner.
Today I go run.
Oh, you go run well. Okay, the next contestant. You two go there. Let's see you can run this run. Hey, what the yana kind of pay? What the yana man of poo? What kaka in the poo? What is that the yana poo? I think about what you have to go for it. Got a man, you're the poo. What the yana day? What it say? Go to that's good. The next contestant, Mavis.
Hey! Mavis, don't you come.
What is that?
Manifest.
What not that? What in about them? What the boom. What pies go to what? Yeah! Oh, you go back interested. So now we are come to run. The run we are come to go. The first winner will take that 300. The second winner will see the winner.
Hey,
okay?
Relax.
Please. Animals. Get set. Relax. Hey, see. Wait. Now we are going to the run. As he saying that this is the way you go run. Money there. Anybody where you go chop now this money and this weekend go be enjoy for you. Are you ready?
Yes.
Give now warm up and let me see something. Now warm up, now small. Now warm up, guys. Now warm up. Okay. On the mat. Wait, get set. Bang! Guys, what do you be? Guys!
Manifest.
You know something?
Manifest.
Wait. The time I say animals, somebody run it. See the line. You come again. Money there inside. watch the line. Make you watch the line. Don't move before the line. Do you understand me? No. Your leg, your hand here, everything will show how the way you go run. Do you understand me?
Okay.
So let me for me.
Okay, tell us you no go give us the money.
No, I'm going to give the money.
So make you give me the
money. Wait
now.
Give me the lie. Give me the lie again. Give me the lie again. Give me the lie again. On the mass. Get set. Yeah! What did we do? No, something. After you are running, Mavis in hand, he did for my back. So now lost. Come, last one. Last one. Come. Come, no one. Money there. No go talk money.
So we should put our hand there.
No, last. No, you don't put your hand up, but make sure your legs will be the equal. Come.
I don't think you will give us the money.
No, I will give you the money. That's the last one. Today. Are you tired? Are you tired? You're shaking now. Don't worry. Money day. Money day. Sika kasa. So now, you are going to go. On the mass. See your leg go. Get set! Watch your leg well, oh. Okay.
I'll be the first.
I'm sorry.
I see the winner. Come.
Don't
cheat,
the winner me, oh.
I see winner.
don't cheat,
the
winner me, oh.
I see winner. Come.
The winner be me.
I see the winner. Come stand there. I see the winner. What did it be? All I am now, goes on like Kebu. Why?
Tired now.
I didn't know why, Franka. Franka. I didn't know where. Huh? Who come the car? Or Bawar for the bear mate. Who catch him say who come the car?
Let me say. You know the Tifiana.
One I don't was some was a car.
Yes,
Waga. Hey, Waga, young man, what down? Wouldn't you answer?
Are you crazy?
What was a money day? Capital crack some money day. Maybe I was a nickel.
I like money now.
don't give your money to him. We always did the same. This girl, when she get last, she not be. You give the money to her.
Massa. If you
I'll be that baby. Husband.
I didn't know why.
Baby, you come back.
So are you serious?
You cheat on us.
No.
Hey, Waga, make us know. Who flew from Nigeria? A mao. So what I say? Want to mean your mao, and met Trefia made this movie action. So what I say? When you're first and last, the next time I was on one Badam Papa, one Nissa bottle.
If you say you go get problem,
Go. Move.
Move now. When what this can action on
Hey.
When I did my first. You want to be coming here, so I don't want this kind of thing.
Two comica. Huh? Comica. Huh? What the two does made a comica? Church.
Move now, okay, no more. Move now, okay. Another woman,
Juma Ben, I'm here.
ain't you now won't you be no? I'm a mere media, Cassia, but some met me a communica, Brahma bread, and I met me a ring and a magic 30 Ghana. Who do you know?
A strategy, some admission.
I mean, yes, how moon is Cabia de Mammy. Move. Come, says one member now, much Monica Capana, Moshaw Bass, and Namotesa.
Remember in this cadi, you dread your bunny at Yetiama, And so be say thanks to the school nya bi ma osane ye ni skent ye ni adwene ye say e ma no e fa ye chi
me for what when America na me ko
enya hwe de ma
oga me 13
so ko mani e mu so wan say skam pa ke jon kon fa
na mo cha ma sa ka so mu say ni America ko na ma sa ko ka you say no na e say didi
ko ya wo tun wo shoro de ye shi Nigeria ni mu ba ma shi Nigeria ni so wo ye twaman
na mo che ngo beti me atuma ko ande si
ni no kan wo chan ye wa yan kwara no
na ko e ko sisi
amfa ntina mabantam
yes
come on head
come on head oh the head in here oh pray you maybe
you want to go for fun one
and you trust on our crack
and you want to make police here
who ba bon why who want to
what they call you know get no Jesica
oh yeah then
Jesica
what guy Jesica
Jesica
who that na fia no ancho oh the chair light be my what the chair light be